Soul Memories, An Awakening to Unity. 1. The Woman on the Cliff, the Kundalini Awakening. It all began facing the sea. I saw myself there, standing atop a cliff. The wind moved my clothes and I felt the fresh breeze on my face. Before me, the ocean stretched into the horizon, but the most incredible thing was her. A woman with Indian features who seemed made of the same light as the stars. She was backlit, subtle, and powerful. Seeing her, I felt a harmony I had never experienced, a total connection with my own energy, my creative force, and the cosmos. There was no fear, only immense peace. It was as if she were telling me that the universe is not outside, but rather beats within us. In that moment, I stopped being an observer and became part of the sky and the waves. 2. The Flight of Ra in the Golden Flower. The Revelation. Suddenly my vision soared. A white bird crossed the sky, flying straight toward the sun. And there against the golden glow he appeared, Ra. His head was imposing, white and gold, and with an arm full of feathers, he showed me the way. I saw 3 pyramids aligning with 3 stars in the vastness of space, among the constellations. A monumental door opened, letting a golden light pour out from within, and in the center of that brilliance, I saw something delicate and eternal, a golden flower beginning to grow petal by petal. I understood that this flower was my own soul, protected by the sun, ready to bloom in the midst of the infinite. 3. The Lakota Indian and the Sacred Pipe. The Connection. Suddenly, the sound of drums enveloped me. I was surrounded by an ancestral dance, by the fire. A Native American chief, with a majestic headdress, held a pipe of black stone, shiny and modern, representing the connection between earth and spirit. As he smoked it, the smoke did not vanish, it came to life. I watched in awe as from that smoke, a wolf, a raccoon, an owl, and an eagle were born. The animals floated and merged with the universe. I felt those animals were my guides, reminding me that Wakantanka, the Great Spirit, is an all-encompassing, sacred, and life-giving force that permeates all existence, the elements, nature, animals, and the cosmos. 4. The Monk and the Stone Shackle. The Liberación. But the journey also led me into the shadow. I saw myself in a stone prison, gloomy and cold. I was a monk, and suddenly I felt naked, vulnerable. A heavy stone shackle tightened around my neck, forcing me to look down. I was therefore defending the bearer of sacred visions, for believing in what others wanted to silence. The stress in my neck was real, the weight of centuries of dogmas and imposed rules. Then I saw the fire, the sacrificial pyre, and I felt that fire reach me too, but not to burn me, but to set me free. In that sacred heat, the stone shackle cracked until it turned to dust. 5. The Transparent Being and the Crystal Castle, the Essence. After the fire came the water. I descended to the deepest part of the ocean, swimming among dolphins and the dance of a giant octopus. In the primordial darkness, I glimpsed a colossal shadow, like a guardian from another world, but I felt no fear. I crossed that threshold and was transformed. I saw myself as a transparent being, with aqua-colored glimmers and black eyes as deep as galaxies. I reached my home, a crystal castle lit by fluorescent green lights that appeared and vanished as I wished. There, in the silence of the sea, I understood my true nature. I am fluid, I am light, and I am peace. In that castle, I discovered that my transparency is my greatest power. I simply am. This video records a spontaneous immersion into the unconscious to know myself through hypnosis. Without prior knowledge of Black Elk, the Sacred Pipe, or Lemurian records, this journey proves that within us dwells an objective truth waiting to be remembered. If you like the video, hit like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss any dreams. If you want to share your dreams, use our email or the ANIMA Dreams app. You'll find them in the comments. Thank you very much and see you in the next dream.